Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can highlight your mouse pointer in Windows 11. Why did I say moist? I have no idea. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? So, first and foremost, you want to head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, you just want to go to mouse settings. So I'm just going to write mouse settings over here. Once I'm finished typing mouse settings, you just want to go to additional mouse settings. From additional mouse settings, you just want to go to pointer pointer options. Once you're inside pointer options, you just basically want to check this box. After checking this box, you just want to press on apply, and that's about it. So now, for example, my cursor is over there. I can't see it. All I have to do is press on my control, and boom, now there's a circle beside my cursor to show me exactly where my cursor is. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.